Hello everyone. The question says find the minimum point of this quadratic function. We have f of x equals 3x squared minus 12x plus 10. Okay, for a quadratic function, we have it in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c. Okay, so the coefficient of x squared is a, the coefficient of x is b, and the constant which represents c. So how do we solve this? How do we determine the minimum point of this quadratic function? So solution. So we have f of x equals 3x squared minus 12x plus 10. Okay, so we have to find the vertex of this function. So how do we go about that? We do that by determining the coordinates of x and y. So for x, we have it to be minus b over 2a. Okay, so looking at this quadratic function, our a represents 3 and our b represents minus 12. Okay, so we plug in this back to this formula. So to determine x coordinates, we say x equals minus, for b, which is minus 12, we have it to be minus 12. Okay, over here is 2 times. So for a, which represent 3, we have it here. So by the time we simplify this, we have x equals, for minus times minus is plus, that is plus 12 over 2 times 3, that is 6. So when we divide this, we have this to be 2. So for x, we have x to be 2. Okay, so we can easily determine the value of y, which is the second point. Okay, so how do we do that? So we substitute x equals to 2 back to this function. Okay, so when we have this as 3x squared minus 12x plus 10, so by the time we bring back x to be 2 back here, we have 3 into 2 squared minus 12 multiplied by 2 plus 10. Okay, so from here we have this to be 3 into 2 squared minus 12 into 2 plus 10. So by the time we open up, we have 3. So for 2 squared is 2 times 2 minus 12 times 2 plus 10. Okay, so here we have 3. For 2 times 2 is 4 minus 12 times 2, we have it to be 24 plus 10. So for 3 times 4 is 12 minus 24 plus 10. So here we have 12 plus 10 to be 22 minus 24. So here we have this to be minus 2. Okay, so the y value stands for minus 2. The question says find the minimum points of this quadratic function. So we have f of x equals 1 over 2 x squared plus 3x plus 4. Solution. So the minimum point is the lowest value. Okay, so here we have f of x equals 1 over 2 x squared plus 3x plus 4. Okay, so to determine the x coordinates, okay, so we use minus b over 2a. So for a, we have a to be 1 over 2 from here, and we have the value of b to be 3, which is the coefficient of x. Now, when we substitute this back, when we put this back, we have x equals minus, for b, we have it to be 3 over 2 times, for a, we have it to be half. Okay, so here we have minus 3 over, for 2 times half is 1. Okay, which is same as minus 3, which stands for x. Okay, minus 3. So we can easily determine the value of y, okay, by taking this, substituting this back into this function. So here we have to substitute minus 3, x, when x is minus 3, we take it back to this function. to get the value of y. So we have 1 over 2, okay, s squared plus 3x plus 4. So by the time we put this back, we have 1 over 2. So for x, now we have it to be 3. So minus 3 squared, okay, plus 3 into minus 3 plus 4. So when we take it from here, we have this to be 1 over 2, okay, minus 3 squared plus 3 into minus 3 plus 4. So when we open up, we have 1 over 2. For minus 3 squared, we have to be minus 3 times minus 3, okay, because of the square. Plus times minus is minus. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 4. Okay, so here we have 1 over 2. For minus 3 times this is 9. Okay, we have minus 9 plus 4. From here, we have this to be 9 over 2. Okay, minus 9 plus 4. So here is 4.5. Okay, minus 9 plus 4. So we have 4.5 plus 4. That gives 8.5 minus 9. Okay, so at this point we have 8.5 minus 9. This gives 0 minus 0.5, which represents y. Okay, so we have minus 0.5. Thank you very much.